please.
If I give you some money, you think I can throw a couple text messages from your phone?
Some money? I don't need money.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I have crickets. Here, just hold the phone for now.
Okay.
Like,
Is it recorded?
oh,
As we
yeah,
speak?
yeah, it's recording.
Nice.
Here, let me put on
What do you want?
anything. Jamie Foxx, let's see, how do you go back?
Alright. I'll put it on for you. I got you.
Alright.
Wait for it.
Hey, stop that. I'm the one who needs to do that. How am I gonna do this?
Just push it.
I know, I'm just... Wait a second. Very good. Hold it on.
Hold it. You're coming straight up.
Let me look at this thing.
And I'm so scared that you do that. I never.
No, dude, like, I got this. I just got it.
Harder. There you go. Jumping.
Hold on. Okay, sorry, Grandpa.
Yeah, let me do this.
No! Dude, I gotta learn sometime.
Well, how about you let me see what I'm doing and you can do it from there.
Let me try one more time.
Alright.
Can I try on the one because it's a straight line?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's gotta be steady.
You gotta be steady. You gotta have to keep going, just like single amount of pressure, and have it more straight up, and because you're not, you gotta have it like this. Come on, you look. Come on, you're going.
Okay, because it's not like a pen. Alright, I got you.
Go ahead.
How does it look? Dude, I just sat ass on that line.
No, really, good.
Shut up, it's just great. Yeah.
Do it again.
Over.
All over, all
Yeah, I'll
over.
go to Alger. Yeah, trust me, Grandpa. Yeah.
You don't have to stop it.
Ooh, that last line was awesome. Bet you it was.
Come
Your
on.
stuff's dark, you know that, right? It's real dark.
Yeah.
Okay.
It looks good.
We'll see. You keep going.
Next one?
Yeah, keep going. Shit, it's bleeding.
Sorry, Grandpa. Hey, I gotta put more ink on this.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Yeah, I'm gonna continue on or? Yeah?
Yeah.
I
Sorry.
should have got this shit in further more and fix it with stop. Fix it. Fix the screen.
It is good.
Yes, there you go. Yeah, what the fuck are you doing there, woman?
Imagine my foot slipped. Don't be a pussy.
Wow, listen.
I know, dude, you're doing great.
You're not, though.
Shut up, I'm doing fine. It's my first tattoo. Okay, I'm not doing you. I'm not gonna do your tattoo. Okay.
Damn, you're making it hurt and no, hurt.
Hurts a little.